Hello Northway, it's Daniel. I hope all of you are safe and well. And today we're gonna draw a big mouth shark for the surprise. For this activity we need black marker, paper, and colors. We need to take the top edge of the paper and fold down to the bottom like this and line it up the edges. Then back up the top and line up to the corners in the edge on the top like this. Okay, first we're gonna draw a half circle here and another half circle here. Then we're gonna draw two small circles, one here, another one here for our shark's eyes, and two small points for the nose. And next, for the shark fins, we're gonna draw three triangles, one on the top, one on the left, and the other one on the right side of the shark. Okay, now we're gonna open up the joints and connect the lines. So this one and the other one, so up to down to the bottom. For the big shark mouth, we're gonna draw a rectangle. So we're gonna draw the line like this and one more line to the bottom, another cross line, and the other one. Okay guys, we have the shark mouth. This is a rectangle. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the shark teeth. So we're gonna do zigzag lines like this, like small triangles, like this, and another one here on the bottom as well. Zigzag lines like a shark teeth. Wow. All right, and now it's time to coloring our shark. So I'm gonna color in the shark eye first. So I'm gonna make shiny eyes. One and two. Shiny eyes. Blue color for the fins top fins. And blue color for the other fins. Blue color for the head. And for the shark mouth, I choose the red color. Red color for the shark mouth. Just try to cover all the mouth between the teeth.